Jefferson State offers co-requisite English and math courses to equip students for academic success and to help them save time and money. A co-requisite is a course that must be taken at the same time as another course. Co-requisite English and math courses have been designed so that students can take English and math courses that are required for their degree program without first taking a prerequisite course. Instead, students may go ahead and enroll in the required English or math course along with an additional co-requisite support course. To determine whether a co-requisite course is needed, you should meet with your academic advisor and discuss your AccuPlacer exam scores, high school math and English grades, or ACT scores if it was earned within the past 5 years. These scores are used to determine course placement.
To register for co-requisite classes, open registration dashboard. Click Register for Classes, then select the appropriate term. To search for co-requisite courses, you will use the course search to find both classes. Select English as the subject without entering a course number. This will display all the English courses offered for the term. Scroll down to find the English 101 C class you wish to take and click Add. Make sure to review the section number before adding. Then scroll back up to find the corresponding English 099 with the same section number as the English 101C you selected. Then click Add. Both classes should now be listed as pending in your registration card. Then click Submit to finalize the registration. If you receive an error message, it could be a time conflict, section restriction, or prerequisite error. If you believe you qualify to register for the course, you can contact your advisor or email advising@jeffersonstate.edu to confirm eligibility.